Megan, what did you feel earlier?
Earlier, I just feel like awkward. Awkward. I'm moving back my phone like this.
Really? Did you fall?
No.
Were you scared?
No, I'm not scared. I hold mommy's hand.
And?
I'm not fall back
And?
because mommy hold me better.
Okay. So what happened, Megan?
I'm moving on. The making no the wait the okay making room and I just pull backward and mommy hold my hand.
Were you scared?
Yeah, no.
What do you think it was?
What's the earthquake?
You've been asking about earthquake. You're 3.5 years old, and you finally got your first earthquake.
But what?
Hey, look, you got your first earthquake. Yay! 3.8, right?
Yeah.
Epicenter is Milpitas.
I see over. Hi, everybody.
You've been asking me, Daddy, what's Earth? Remember? What did you ask me in the car? Daddy, what is?
Earth.
I told you the ground. And what did you ask me after that?
How are the fat?
Huh?
How the fat sun?
Oh, no. I said the Earth is angry. No, you asked me, what's earthquake? I couldn't explain to you, remember? I said when the Earth is angry. Now today you know the Earth is angry. How do you know the Earth is angry?
Because